to another video this week. Today we will learn about converting decimal to fraction. So we have 3 decimals here. We will convert it to fraction so that you will know how to do this, okay? So we have 0.83 on number 1, number 2 0.35, number 3 30.5, or in the standard way of reading decimal, number 1 is 83 hundredths, number 2 is 35 hundredths, and number 3 is 30 and 5 tenths. Okay, so let's go ahead and solve this. So the quickest way to convert decimal to fraction is to just move the decimal point, and this is only applicable for exact decimals. This is not applicable for repeating decimals, okay? Repeating and continuing decimals, okay? So like 0.1111111. So this is only applicable for terminating decimal, okay? Sige. So for number 1, you have 0.83. Let's write that one here. You just need to move the decimal point 1, 2. So how many times did you move it? 1, 2. So you move it twice, right? So rewrite this one and make this one 83 over, then since you move twice, put 1, then 2 zeros. So this is how you will change it to fractions. If you can convert it to lowest term, then that is necessary, but I think there's no lowest term. This is already a lowest term, okay? So this is our answer. Alright, for number 2, we have 35, 0.35. So we have 0.35, and then we will move the decimal 1, 2, so we move it twice. So let's rewrite 35 here without the decimal point over, since we move it twice, duha ka 0 ibutang sad. And then, can we change this one to lowest term? Yes, we can. So we can divide it by 5. So 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7 over 100 divided by 5 is 20. So this is 7 over 20. How about number 3? We have 30.5. So once again, what you will need to do is to move the decimal place. So 30.5, move the decimal place. You notice that you only move the decimal point once. So in this case, you will write 305 over 10, because you only move 1, there should be only 1 0. Okay? So this is equal to, and then we can actually simplify this. So we can divide 5 on both sides, or shall we say this is an improper fraction, right? 305 over 10. So we can reduce this one. So 305 divided by 10. Okay? So we have 30 divided by 10, that's 3. 3 times 10, that's 30, minus, then this is 0, bring down 5. 5 divided by 10, that is 0. 0 times, sorry, we should have stopped there. So bring down 5. Okay, let's continue. 5 divided by 10, that's 0. 0 times 10, that's 0 here, and then minus, then bring down 5. So this is equal to 30 and 5 over 10. And if you all notice, 5 over 10, we can still divide 5 here. So the answer is 1 over 2. So our final answer is 30 and 1/2. Okay? So let's have more examples here. So number 4. Let's try 0.128. Let's change this one to decimal or fraction. So, let's move the decimal point. 128. So, 1, 2, 3. So, we move the decimal point 3 times, right? So, 128 over, and then since we move the decimal point 3 times, we'll say 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay? Kuha, tulo ka 0. Alright? Then, we will change it to lowest term. So, what is, how do we change this one to lowest term? Let us try dividing both sides by 2. Okay? By 2. And then 128, this is 64 over, then this is 500. We can still divide it by 2. So this is 32 over, this is 250. Can we still divide it by 2? Yeah, so we have 32 over 250 divided by 2 divided by 2. This would become 16 over 125. Alright, so can we still reduce this? 16 over 125. Let us think. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think 25. Okay, I think that's it. So this is the lowest term. Okay? So let's continue. Last number here. How about 0.25? Convert that into fraction. So let's move 1, 2. So we move twice. So this would become 25 over, since we move twice, this would be 100. So this is equal to, then we can divide 25 on the top and then on the bottom. So we have 1, because 25 divided by 25 is 1. 100 divided by 25 is 4. So this is our answer. 1/4. Alright? So that is how you will convert decimal to fraction. That is the lesson for this week, guys. See you in our next video. Goodbye.